After a series of break-ins in the east end of the city, crime is once again up, and there are calls for a vigilante to do more.
That's why we put this watch together, so nobody's briefcase goes missing again.
You guys might want to tell people what you're doing wearing those costumes.
They're uniforms, and that's what the flyers are for. Chucky? Anyway, I don't think we've been acquainted. Billy Smith.
What are you wearing?
It's my smock for the neighborhood watch.
You guys wear those around the neighborhood.
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, how else are the people gonna know who's there to protect me? All right, you guys are my second in command, okay? My lieutenants, if you will.
It's a good thing these aren't white, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
There ain't gonna be no yelling in my church unless you are behind this podium.
We are live right now, guys.
Everybody knows that weak sheep need healthy sheep to inspire them. Clear? You can't do that.
Of course I can. I'm the sheriff.
Hey, we're good people.